Matro, get away from here. Faster zombies are after me.
These scary zombies are attacking our city again.
Nani? Oh my god!
Oh no, Matro got infected. We need to leave here urgently. Hello, Jack. Help me please destroy zombies.
No! God, please, no! No!
Ready for it, McQueen! This zombie won't come out of this hole again!
Thank you so much, Jack. Owe you a debt. We need to figure out how to handle the rest of the zombies.
What?
Wow, that was unexpected. Stay the last zombie now. I'll definitely handle it. There's a tunnel ahead. I need to go there.
Yeah, boy.
You die.
Hello, Ben. Can you help me destroy that big zombie from your gun?
No problem, McQueen. I'll help you.
Thank you so much, Ben. I couldn't have done it without you.
Glad to help. Take care of yourself, McQueen.
Oh my god!
Help me!
A huge zombie robot is following us, oh no.
Oh no.
McQueen, come on here! Yes!
Huh?
Oh no! Oh no, my buddy got infected. I need the help.
Oh my god!
Who is this? I'm not doing anything with them. Oh my god! Oh no, what am I supposed to do with the other zombies? Oh, hello, King. Help me!
Yeah, boy.
I got through one of them a McQueen.
Yeah, boy!
I need a Matro. I can't do without him. Oh no, there's a dead end here. Matro, to help.
Oh my.
Step away from the McQueen. I'm shooting.
Whoa, two at once. It was cool.
Glad to help the McQueen.
Oh, hello! Help me! Oh my God! Stop! Good job!
Please, no!
Oh my God, who the hell?
NANI?! Help me! Help me!
Mater, come here now. I need your help.
I'm McQueen. I'm here already.
Thanks to Metro, I can go on.
Oh my God!
Hello, McQueen. I came to your aid to end them once and for all.
Thanks, friends alone, I couldn't handle all the zombies.